an electric field as well as a magnetic field. Initially, they're not moving, but I'm going to turn on the electric field here, and I'm actually going to put some tree pollen, which you can hopefully see. Whoa, that's a bit much, but you get the picture. You see that they're rotating in a clockwise sense. So the question is now, what is happening here? Is it the positive ions that are causing this motion and carrying along the pollen? Or is it the negative ions, right? If I turn off the electric field, then there is no electric field, nothing is moving. This will come slowly to rest. As I turn on the electric field, the ions here will be accelerated in the electric field. As they start moving in the electric field, they feel the effect of the magnetic force, and that is what makes them rotate. So you have to see whether it's the positive or the negative ions or both that carry the pollen along in a clockwise direction. So take a minute to think about it and then enter your votes using the PRS system. And no talking yet. Come up with your own answer. We have a disagreement clearly here. About a 50-50 split between two answers. I'll let you guess which ones. So turn to your neighbor and see if you can, and remember, finding one correct answer, for instance, the negative ions, doesn't mean that the positive is necessarily true. So you have to really try out both. Go ahead, check with your neighbor and see if you can agree.
From north to south, but so it's going down, right? So we have basically an E field that points in.
Okay.
A positive particle moving this way means a current that way, right? A negative particle moving that way means a current same way.
That way, yeah.
Right, that's interesting. So what does that mean about the force on that?
It's the same.
I cross B.
Does it radiate? Does it mean it's radiating out?
I cross B, so I is inward, right? B is into the plane of the drawing, right? So I to B. Wait, B is down, sorry. So I, and let's look at the bottom, right? I is towards the center, up, right? And B is down, so the force at the bottom would be clockwise.
Same way? Can you do that one more time?
Okay.
Yeah, you're
So positive ions, the positive and the negative ions. Let's see. Okay, so we started with about a 50-50 distribution on choices 1 and 2. And right now, we're at 1/3 for 1, 1/3 for 2, and 1/3 for 3. Clearly, we need to do some more thinking and talking about that. So I've started by making a drawing here, a top view of the bottom.